Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up an AFK channel in Discord. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to a Discord channel right here that you have an admin access with. So I have this specific Discord server right here that we are going to demonstrate the AFK channel with. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and right click on the side panel right here, and then you want to click on create channel. Inside you want to make sure that you have selected voice, and then you can name this whatever you want to. In my case, I'm going to name it AFK right here. Click on create channel, and with that we then have this newly created channel right here. The next thing that you want to do is to go ahead and navigate through your server name right here. Click on server settings, and basically once inside, you then want to click on the engagement section, scroll down, and then you have the inactive channel. So from here, you then want to select the AFK channel that we have made, and then you can select how much time or minutes they get for being an AFK. So for example, if they're AFK around 15 minutes, they will then be automatically moved to this specific channel right here, which is the AFK channel. So as an example, if I join the town square channel right here, and after AFKing for a couple of minutes, it will then automatically move me to the AFK channel. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.